What's going on YouTube? Steven TheSalonGuy here, and I'm gonna show you the quickest way to get volume in your hair. So does your hair fall flat like this all the time and you wanna get a little more volume, or you wanna get a little bit of lift right in the front here? Well, here's a very quick tip and way to go about doing that. So all you're gonna need is a blow dryer like this. Well, you don't have to have this blow dryer, but any blow dryer will do. And you wanna make sure your hair is dry. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna turn the blow dryer on and I'm gonna create almost like a wall of hair right in through here that this is all gonna lift. And I'm gonna show you what that alone is going to do. Check it out. Look at that. No hands, nothing, no brushes, no product. All I did was use the blow dryer. Now, how does this all work? Well, the heat from the blow dryer, what it's doing, it's actually setting the hair in place. Think of a shirt that's wrinkled, and if you go over it with an iron, it's gonna get rid of those wrinkles. Same thing with the blow dryer, that heat, and it's not damaging your hair, so don't worry or freak out that it's gonna destroy your hair. It's not. That heat is actually setting the hair right into place like this. All you have to do is do this when it's dry, maybe 15 seconds or so, and you're gonna get all this volume, and then you can put some product in it or spray it. Another tip is if you're looking to get even more volume throughout here and you want to really lock this in or create a little bit of an arch, well, here's another quick tip here, is you can actually take your hands like this and you want to almost cup the hair and then hit it with the blow dryer right in this area, and what it's going to do, it's going to create almost like an arch or a curve right in through here. Check it out. And look at that. So now, if anyone wants that little arch right in through here so the hair goes up and then comes down around this way, that's how you do it. Just use your hands and use the blow dryer in sync and you're gonna be good to go. So your hands are your most valuable tool sometimes when it comes to hairstyling and getting volume. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And thank you so much for watching. Leave comments below if you felt this helped you. And I'll see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.